Looking for the perfect Lego car to surprise your kids? In today's video, I'm going to show you the 5 best Lego cars for kids on Amazon. From fun, easy builds to detailed sets that spark creativity and imagination. We'll go over what makes each one special, who it's best for, and of course, a few honest pros and cons to help you pick the right one. Let's get started and find the perfect Lego car your kids will love. Number 1. Overall best pick. Lego Technic Jeep Wrangler 4x4 toy car. I enjoyed building this set. It has a solid mix of fun and display potential. The bright yellow color really pops and gives the model a strong off-roader vibe. There are cool functions like steering, realistic off-road tires, and a winch for imaginative play. It's ideal for ages 9+ and works nicely for both kids and fans of the distinctive vehicle. On the flip side, the build leaves out a true drivetrain and the suspension is quite basic, so it doesn't wow as a hardcore mechanical Technic model. If you're after a great display piece with play value and iconic styling, this fits well, but if you want full Technic engineering depth, you may want to step up to a larger set. Number 2. My second best pick, Lego Technic Fast and Furious Dom's Dodge Charger. I thoroughly enjoyed the Lego Technic Fast and Furious Dom's Dodge Charger 42111. The build is satisfying with strong thematic touches from the movie. Think bold orange bodywork, authentic engine detailing, and working suspension that makes it fun to display or play with. It's a standout for fans of the film and Lego collectors alike. As a set rated for ages 10+, it strikes a good balance between complexity and accessibility. On the plus side, the car looks fantastic once built and offers a solid build time that keeps things engaging. On the minus side, the number of parts is a bit modest compared to other Technic sets, so if you're expecting a more advanced mechanical build, like full drivetrain or gears, this set may leave you wanting. Number 3. My third best pick, Lego Icons Porsche Building Set. The Lego Icons Porsche 9110295 is a stunning build, especially if you're into automotive design and display-worthy models. The 2-in-1 feature lets you switch between the iconic Turbo Targa and a sleek race car version, offering more value and versatility. The attention to detail, the punchy red paintwork, detailed interior, load-up engine bay, is exceptional, making it a fantastic display piece for teens and adults. On the plus side, the build experience is rewarding without being overwhelming, and the finished set looks terrific on a shelf. On the downside, its size and complexity mean it's less suited for younger kids or casual builders. It demands patience. If you're after an impressive, high-quality collector set and don't mind taking your time, this is a very strong choice. Number 4. My fourth best pick, STEM Building Toys for Kids. I found this STEM 2-in-1 remote control racer kit to be a fun and educational pick for kids around ages 6 to 9. The ability to build 2 different vehicles, a race car and an off-road truck, adds nice value and keeps things interesting. The remote control drive function is a big hit. Once built, kids definitely enjoy racing it around. It also promotes hand-eye coordination and basic engineering skills while building. On the downside, the snap-together pieces feel a bit less sturdy than higher-end kits, and younger children may need help with some of the finer assembly steps. Overall, it's a strong gift choice if you want something more than a standard toy car. Number 5. Last but not least, my 5th best pick, Lego Speed Champions Dodge Charger. The Lego Speed Champions 1970 Dodge Charger R/T76912 is a standout set for both Lego enthusiasts and Fast and Furious fans. The build is enjoyable and not overly complex, making it suitable for builders aged 8 and up. The model captures the iconic muscle car's essence with its sleek design and authentic details, including a detailed interior and minimal stickers, enhancing its overall appeal. However, the minifigure of Dominic Toretto is somewhat basic, lacking the distinctive features that fans might expect. That's a wrap. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and smart product picks every week. Got a favorite Lego car for kids? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're riding with.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.